Let's draw a cute Westie dog. Grab some paper and markers and follow along. We're going to start by drawing 2 black circles for the eyes. I'm going to draw a big bubble at the top and a small bubble in the bottom of each of the eyes, and then color in the rest of the circle. That'll just give the eyes a little bit of shine. Next, I'm going to draw a big jelly bean shape in the middle for the nose. And in the corner, I'm just going to put a little oval, and I'm going to fill in the rest of the nose, and that'll give the nose a bit of a shine. Next, I'm going to start from right underneath the nose and do a J shape. Then, starting at the top of the J, I'm going to make a little bubble coming down like this. And then inside there, make another little curved line. I'm going to color in the space in between, and that'll be her little tongue. Next, we're going to give her some bangs, and we're going to draw 3 little backwards J swoops like this right across her forehead. Now, right on top of the bangs, I'm going to draw one of her ears. I'm going to make a upside down V with a little squiggle. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, upside down V and a little squiggle. Then I'm going to connect the 2 ears with a little fuzz in between, just like this. Just going to make a little zigzag on either side of her face, and then right at the level of her nose, I'm going to make the zigzags jut out just a tiny bit on both sides for her cheeks. And then I'm just going to keep making these little zigzag lines all the way around to form the rest of her face. Now I'm going to draw her shoulder with a little squiggly fuzzy line. I'm going to make a paw. Just a square U shape like that with a little line for the tummy, and then we'll do another square U shape with a curve at the end. Now right here next to where this line ends, I'm going to make sort of a C shape. And that's going to be her back paw. I'm going to connect it up to her back. A little squiggle line at the top. And then parallel with this, I'm going to make another little bubble there for her other back paw. Okay. Don't forget, put a line here for her tummy. Next, I'm going to draw her tail. So I'm going to start kind of halfway down her back. Make a curved line here. A little bump, another little point. And then just make these sort of curved lines all the way back to her back. So now we're going to add some detail. I'm going to start with the paw pads. So I'm going to put 3 little circles here and a big circle down here. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And a little half circle there. I'm going to put some little lines here on each of her paws for her claws. And then I'm going to put strokes here and here to give her a little texture, a little fuzz. Do the same thing right here by her eyes. And then in her ears, I'm going to make a line like this. And then across the bottom, I'm just doing a little squiggle to make a fuzzy ear. Same thing on this side. Now that we've drawn her, we are going to add some color. I'm just going to use a gray marker to add a little bit of shading. Just add in a little line across the bottom of each paw. We'll fill in the tummy. Make sure to get this little spot. Get the back paw, and then just put in a little bit of shading on the tail. A little on the chest fluffs. Then we'll make sure to get under her chin as well. We'll do the same thing on the face. Get her bangs. And I like to put a little tiny bit right under each eye and under the nose as well. Next, I'm going to take my darker pink. I'm just going to color in the tongue a tiny bit right here. I'm going to take my lighter pink and I'm going to color in the little paw pads. And then I'm going to color in on her ears as well, just to give her a little pink inside of each ear. Finally, I'm going to take this very light blue color and just add a dot on the smaller sparkle in each of her eyes, just to give it a tiny bit more color. And that's how you draw a cute little Westie dog. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.